Hey, 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 it's your girl, Natoya Perkins, your entrepreneur, educator, and coach helping busy professionals build smart, profitable businesses without chasing anyone down. In just 2 days of launching my ad campaign on Facebook and Instagram, I generated 62 qualified leads. Some fill out the application ready to join my coaching program, and others book calls just to work with me. And here's the kicker: I haven't spoken to a single soul. No call messages, no calling up my friends. Not even my family knows what I am doing yet. And while all of this was happening, I was sleeping in my bed, going to church on Sunday, cooking my Sunday dinner, and binge watching young Sheldon Sunday night. And back to work Monday teaching my little boys and girls. That's the magic of my system of growth system that which powers my educators on a mission coaching program. It's created specifically for busy, purpose driven educators like myself who want more but simply don't have the time to waste. I used to hustle, doing the old school way, DMing people, awkward conversation, posting in desperation. But now the right people come to me, qualified, exciting, and ready to take action. Excited and ready to take action. And while I'm just living my best life, so drop a hashtag SOG in the comments or shoot me a DM if you're an educator, a professional, or someone who's ready to invest in themselves and save time so you can start, automate, and elevate your finance. Let me show you how to do that to grow your business that fits your lifestyle and not the other way around. Catch you hopefully soon in my system of growth. Take care.